Thank you for that very kind introduction. Good morning and welcome to the many local distinguished guests and guests from around the world. What's new, first of all? Looking over the past couple of years of our journals and book series.
Teaching. Teachers have three loves: love of learning, love of learners, and the love of bringing first two loves together.
Selamat datang ke majlis perasmian pembukaan persidangan World Association of Lesson Studies WALS 2022.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Wulan Desahining Tias. I am from Pahoa School, Indonesia. Group discussion towards students' conceptual understanding data from lesson study. The most important thing from this group discussion is not only about the cognitive, but also some morality happens.
Let me introduce myself. My name Angga Sri Prasetyo. I'm a teacher at Pahoa Junior High School. Today, I will present the result of my research entitled Internalization of Teacher-Kue Values, Character Education through Positive Discipline in the Learning Process. This is Pahoa School and School. The locus of my research is Pahoa School. This is my school, especially at the junior high school.
Afternoon, educators. Thank you for the opportunity for me to share my paper, my study. Result we can also confirm. We found out that the students who conducted group discussion in roundtable shows improvement in their post-test scores.